In this video today, you're going to learn the main vowel teams that make the long A sound. The first vowel team we're going to learn today is AY. Like, Miss Clay, may I play today? In this sentence, there are many words that have the AY sound. There's clay, may, play, and today. Notice how in each one of these words, the long A sound comes at the end of the word. When you hear the long A sound at the end of the word, you should spell it using the AY vowel team. The next vowel team we'll learn today is the AI vowel team, like there is a plane train in the rain. In this sentence, the words plane, train, and rain all have the AI vowel team for the long A sound. Notice how in each one of these words, plane, train, and rain, the long A sound is in the middle of the word. If you hear the long A sound in the middle of the word, you should use the AI vowel team. The last vowel team we'll learn today is the A consonant E or the silent E vowel team, like in let's bake a cake for Kate. In this sentence, the words bake, cake, and Kate all have long A sounds for A consonant E, where the E is silent and will tell the A to say its name. Now let's practice sounding out words with these vowel teams. Let's sound out the first word. T, R, A, tray. Let's sound out the second word. Ch, A, N, chain. Let's sound out the last word. Remember, the E will stay silent. G, R, A, P, grape. Now let's read a story that contains many long A words. Let's see how many we can find of each long A vowel team. Chase wanted to go for a race today. His mom told him it may rain today. He stayed and played inside. He grabbed some gray clay and made a train. Oh no! He had a stain from the clay. He went to the doorway to grab some spray. He sat and waited, but the stain remained. He was going to have to explain the stain to his mom. She would complain. Now, take some time to find all the AI words, all the AY words, and all the A consonant E words or silent E words. Wow, look at all those long A words. In yellow, we have the A consonant E or silent E words. In pink, we have the AI words. And in green, we have the AY words. Take some time to sort each word from this passage into the 3 different vowel team patterns. Here are long A words from the passage sorted by the 3 different long A vowel teams. The AY words from our passage were today, may, played, gray, clay, doorway, and spray. Our AI words from the passage were rain, train, stain, waited, remained, explain, and complain. Our A consonant E or silent E long A words were chase, race, and made. Now let's practice spelling words with a long A sound. Remember, before you start writing the letters, sound out the word in your head. Your first word is grade. Your second word is pay. Your third word is trail. Your fourth word is plate. Your fifth word is ray. Your sixth word is drain. Your seventh word is brave. Your eighth word is Monday. And your ninth word is grain. Now let's check the words you spelled. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson on the 3 long A vowel teams. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.